Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide online status on Facebook Messenger mobile. So you just need your phone and Facebook app, and let's get right in. So that's the option that will allow us to show when we are to show us inactive when we are active on Facebook. So how I get through here? You just need to go to your profile from here on the top right corner, and then you will scroll down until you see settings and privacy. Click on the settings and privacy, and then go into settings. Okay, so once you click on settings, I just want you to go to the search bar and tap on it, and then uh, type active status, or just go through it from that one. Alright, and here you can turn that one off. Okay, then click on turn off active status. Alright. Alright, so now we are hide it. So guys, that's how to hide online status on Facebook and also for Facebook Messenger. So that will automatically be you will be invisible and not active also on the same accounts on Messenger. So anyways guys, that's how to hide online status on Facebook and Facebook Messenger on your mobile. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your beloved ones. See you next video.